Hello, model railroad fans. I finally have my IR sensors installed under the track. Worked on that all day yesterday. So here you see the two sensors by the coal loader. They have these green lights on them. That's what they look like under the table with my little plates to hold them in. Here's the oil sighting sensors. I don't know what happened to my end cap. I use a 3M suitcase connectors to connect these. This shows my DC bus line. The top part is for my DigiKeys DR4018 and the lower part is for the sensor connections with the 5-volt. This just shows the DCC bus line connected to the original layout. As I mentioned, I did most of the work yesterday. I came out this morning and the sensors would light up, but they wouldn't change. And I thought, oh no, this is going to be a Fred problem. Then I realized my garage door was open and the sensors did not like the underside of my garage door. I closed the door, they start working fine. Here you see the sensor wires connected into the Arduino. I'll change this around a little bit when I mount the Arduino underneath the layout, but works pretty good now. Here you see the sensor table. I've put the titles of them in. The one you saw actives because a green car is covering up the... So here I'm testing the timing of stopping the train after the sensor is triggered. So here I just guessed at 2 seconds. Yeah, a little too long. So I'm going to shorten it. Try it again. Yeah, close, but not quite right. So I'm going to try it again. Okay, close enough. So now I continue to run the train. And what you're going to see is the cars become misaligned underneath the little tubes on my co-op. That's because I originally set this program to use my GP9 Black Widow, which I burn out. Talked about that. So I may have to change it for this particular loco. Thinking about maybe putting a variable speed adjustment in the memory table. I don't know if that's pretty complicated. Thanks for watching. You're going to have to turn around if you want to watch the train video, Libby. Libby, turn around. You're missing the video.